Hi, girls. Hope you're doing well, and I hope you've had a great week. I know we've all learned a lot this week, and I'm excited to be kicking off this video with you today. I've got a lot of people here who are going to say hello to you from our homes to your homes. So I think it'll be a lot of fun. One of the things that I'm excited about this week is that it's the first week of April, and April is, whether you know it or not, National Poetry Month. And I want to share one of my favorite poems with you today. One of the reasons I love poetry is that it always is there for us. Whatever emotion we're feeling, whatever we're thinking, there's always a poem there that helps to describe that in a more beautiful way. So I want to share this one. It's a short one with you from John Donne. No Man is an Island. It's very well known, so I'm sure some of you are familiar. No man is an island entire of itself. Every man is a piece of the continent, a part of the main. If a clod be washed away by the sea, Europe is the less, as well as if a promontory were, as well as any manner of thy friends or of thine own were. Any man's death diminishes me, because I am involved in mankind, and therefore never sinned to know for whom the bell tolls. It tolls for thee. Hope you enjoy this video today and have a great weekend.